Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Marin! Ate Julie, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Sana hindi ka magbago. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Julie. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Madam. Best wishes to our team leader who support us and give us the focus we need to succeed. Much more blessing to come, good health, happiness in life, and God bless. Happy birthday po. We love you.
64. Susunod kami. Ako pala. Happy birthday!
Ate Julie, happy birthday. I pray to God to bless your life with lots of good luck and good health. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Julie. More birthdays to come.
Good health.
And God bless you. Happy birthday.
Magandang hapon. Advance happy birthday, Ate Julie. More birthday to come. Stay healthy and beautiful. MBTC, God bless you.
Hello po, Ate Julie. Advance ba? Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Sana healthy, strong, and beautiful. Always. Happy birthday again, Ate Julie. Love you.
Hi Ate Julie, happy birthday po. God bless. Thank you sa lahat ng bagay na naibibigay mo sa amin. Long life. Kasi mayaman ka naman na. Pero maraming yaman pa para masaya rin kami para sa'yo. Para lagi mo rin kami ililibre. Thank you. Love you. God bless po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Julie.
Happy birthday, Tita Julie. I wish you all the best and I wish all happiness and a good health and God bless.